Hello, and thank you for taking the time to learn about how Google Grants can help your nonprofit amplify its mission. My name is Tom Bukacek from Sinova Solutions, and I'm excited to show you how you can leverage this incredible resource to raise more donations, recruit volunteers, and expand your impact on your local community. Let's dive in. Nonprofits often face challenges reaching new audiences and raising funds effectively. This is where digital marketing comes in. Now, did you know Google offers $10,000 a month in free Google text ads for eligible nonprofits? This program can transform your organization's reach. Yet many nonprofits either aren't aware of it or struggle to use it effectively. Our goal today is to change that by making it easy and impactful for you to get started. So what are Google Grants? Well, Google Grants is a program that provides $10,000 per month in free advertising on Google Search. These text-based ads appear when people search for terms related to your mission, driving traffic to your website. So whether your goal is increasing donations, recruiting volunteers, or raising awareness, this general program can help you connect with the right people. Not every organization qualifies for Google Grants, so it's important to understand eligibility. Nonprofits must be registered as a 501c3 organization and have a mission aligned with charitable, educational, or advocacy goals. We also require to have a high-quality HTTPS secure website. However, governmental entities, hospitals, and accredited educational institutions may not qualify unless they have a philanthropic arm focused on eligible activities. Why do nonprofits love Google Ad Grants? Well, the benefits of these Google Grants are significant. First, it dramatically expands your visibility, allowing you to connect with audiences searching for your mission. Second, it helps drive more donations and recruit volunteers by leading people directly to your site. Third, it gives you a platform to highlight your programs, events, and success stories, all while saving on marketing costs. This is a game changer for nonprofits. Despite these benefits, nonprofits face several challenges when it comes to raising donations online. First off, the competition is fierce. There's over 1.5 million nonprofits in the US. They're all vying for donor attention. Limited resources often mean there isn't enough staff or budget to dedicate to marketing. And donor expectations have changed as well. They want a seamless online experience. But many nonprofit websites and campaigns aren't quite optimized to meet those expectations. Also, let's be honest, running Google Ads, it ain't easy. Compliance with Google Grants policies can be tricky, with requirements like maintaining a 5% click-through rate and adhering to strict keyword rules. Setting up and managing campaigns takes technical experience, including tracking pixels and conversion optimizations. Without the right knowledge, most nonprofits only are able to spend about 5 to 10% of their grant money, leaving a lot of potential on the table. If you don't have an experienced Google Ads Manager on your team, this is where we can come in. We at Sinova Solutions provide expert management to help you maximize your Google Ad Grant. We handle everything from setup to ongoing optimization, including campaign compliance, keyword research, ad copywriting, and performance tracking. Our goal is to provide you with a hands-free experience so you can focus on your mission while we focus on results. So why work with us? We bring proven expertise, having managed Google Ads since 2013. We're dedicated to nonprofits serving underserved communities, and we understand the importance of compliance and return on investment. Best of all, we offer performance guarantee. If our campaigns don't generate at least as much of our management fee, we will refund you the difference. Simply put, at Sinova Solutions, we help nonprofits increase donations, volunteer signups, and awareness by maximizing the Google Grants $10,000 per month in free search ads program. Our team handles everything for you, from setup to optimization, so you can focus on your mission and use the increased awareness and funding to propel your goals forward. And with a performance guarantee, you'll never pay more than what we can deliver. Are you ready to maximize your Google Ad Grants and grow your nonprofit's impact? The next step is simple. Schedule a free consultation with us. We'll discuss your organization's goal, how Google Grants can help, and how we can support you. Contact us today to get started. We'd love to help you succeed.